Welcome to Email Groupie ESL Education. Today we will go over formal and informal greetings. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Let's get started. Hello. How's it going? How are you? How's everything? What's up? What's the status? How's everything? Yo. What's new? How have you been? What's been going on? How's life? How's everything been? How have you been doing? Good to hear from you. It's good to hear from you again. Nice to hear from you again. Hiya. Hi. Welcome. Glad to see you. Hey. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Howdy. Greetings. What's up? Sup? Hi there. Good day. Hey there. Hello there. How's it going? Long time no see. Nice to see you. Good to see you. What's poppin'? What's going on? What's happening? Thank you for learning with Email Groupie ESL Education. Like and subscribe. Good luck on your English studies. Bye-bye.